bun dia. Ito tamat ba Chinatown di Manchester. Basosa tempe, kangkong, ay farina,
Sosa Indonesianya
ikan marang, hotang
Atau ikan
Jessica
teri.
nih huditahang. Kelosa, ami saiba gora.
Gordau, am sai siu mana. Umedan we ke kalang lorong to baba.
Okay guys, lockdown nih, how you made stay home la serviço. Semana ruan lara how dok sa fui mak sai pali. Oh, meta lo.
Sobrinho Jessica.
Bridge Jessica bulan. Kami tesik ba Manchester.
Nanti di Manchester lo ke kalai.
Bahaya tok ni cidade nih.
Coba sih.
Mau barang apa teh cidade lockdown. Mas lockdown deh ladung makasih dah. Lockdown de primeiro mak.
Literas.
Agora nih lockdown mas. So loja fan roupa ho nih mak laloke. Supermarket sini loke. Restoran sentaka. Kurang tesik ba. Samtona Manchester. Jessica mal filmagem. Para nonton. Vamos lá para lá. Tentar masker. Kita lalu ke sidari lah ya. Barat pesan sidar lara. Ai falar tamu loja sini. Manchester. Mai tempo lockdown mana? Lockdown mas kapas. Hi guys, this morning in Manchester's Piccadilly town center, look like very quiet, not much people here, not same like before, lot of people hanging around here. And let's see in the garden, the place where the people are always here, a lot of people here. We will see. Come on man, no one here guys, no one here. This is lockdown. Essential travel only. Basically, lot of people here. It's only me, Rosina. Tonto pelisat muhusi ita mana eh? Fat ini lolosnya rame. Guys, ada tok bemos tak hotu. Lockdown bemos sulang hotu. Be stay home hotu. Tut bana kan laut tok rek lo.
Tok rek naman mo 2 jam po.
Polisi mana bane? Polisi mana bane? Polisi mana bane? Serius nih, essential travel only. We hopefully this COVID-19 is gonna be end soon, and all people in the world will be free. Risu Sema. We came here with the reason shopping in the Chinese town. Saskia, look at that. Jessica, Resine. Hoor je maar, Lucia. Fatih dan weer met ramen los, nee? Fuik tebes. Primark close. All shopping. Nee, siga tama ba? Tiga. Agora lá vou check to Andrale. Andrale ne plaza da. Kita bathroom lock karek ambahan lai. Satu KFC, McDonald's, Burger King, Hamplai. Look at that, guys. This is the road. All is busy with the people here, standing and queue for walk. We see now, no one here. It's free to go, no car, no people, no lot of people. Free to walk. Let's check. Check it out. Foot Locker is closed. Clark is closed. H&M closed. Only click and collect. This Andale is open. It's open. Okay, meta. See, guys, no one here. Nee, helemaal freak hoor, Jessica. Wie morgens met toilet takut doen en ai. At keren. Freak guys, takut keren. Hey, sayang ka? Okay guys, ini aturan ya. Takam be iha basic upper mall winter. Yeah, okay. Check it out. TK Maxx. Everything is hot. I'm just looking for toilet, man. I need toilet. I need to go away. This is open because this is like supermarket, grocery. This is essential store. I hope this is open. No way. It's closed, mate. Oh my god. Guys, lau buka sfatin lah ya. Takut. Hello. Did you find the toilet here? No. Let's go. Okay. Agora vamos a falar for food court. Se loca então, toilet na loca. Também KFC ou McDonald's here. Fast in loca. Finger cross. Yan dolar. Tareta guys. Ya, loke. Okay, si taka, McDonald's loke. Tarta karsfatin. Toilet. Buka toilet rohing. Yes. Yes, God. Nel, okay. Thank you, thank you. Oh my God. Ciao, guys. Guys. Segar kira. Mulai guys. Harus tenang. Aman tenang. Agora aman na. Mulai guys. Agora am sais né. Sosti café ho madvisa basira amihantia. Amla seba loza sina. Sosa tempe, kanko, ikan tri, ikan marang. Pokoknya ideal buat memang aja. Oke, tasar mau pernah baca. Video man. Let's go guys. Head into the Chinese supermarket. Guys, kayaknya banyak Ferrari. Win saya ini kartu Ferrari. Los sekarang. Ayo, meta sih kasih foto na. Wow. Di masa itu na? Kartan sa? Terbaik. Loza sina. Okay guys. Ideal. Ideal nih preço mas pano 2 pound. 2 pound ideal nih guys. Mostarda mana 1 pound. Mostarda seberat itu. Tempe mana tahu. Tempe masih tahu isinya. Tempe dia. Tahu 3 pound. 2 pound 28 p. Dolar kira 3 pound res. 3 pound. Ayam kampung mana meta? 4 pound. Tahu mana? Masih tahu resona tennya. Tahu isi 2 pound 15 p.
Ikan tri horai.
Tahu dan ini lah ya. Ini udah ditahan guys. Udah ditahan. 1 pound 65 ya. Timur tes terakhir. Tahu mana guys? 1 pound 95. Meta tahu mana meta? Sika tahu. Fotihira. Fotirua. Kangko mana ya guys? Kangko itu 280 pi. Yang mana sih? Mana sih ada tanah? Nih. Saya mana? Sekali hitraga. Oke guys, kami sosotana ikan marang pokoknya completo. Agora filana, sukar, rapsado. Kami bana guys. Oke guys, mungkin orang kami mai vlog mana ya? Untuk kari kata lu subscribe. See you next video. Ciao.